If you want to change your name on X, here's how to do it. First, open X and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap on Profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap Edit Profile. Here, you can change your display name. Keep in mind that your display name does not need to be unique, so multiple people can use the same name. After entering your new name, tap Save. Now, if you want to change your username, go back and tap your profile icon again. Open Settings and Privacy, then tap Your Account. Next, select Account Information and tap on Username. Here, you can type your new username. Remember, usernames must be unique, so if the one you want is already taken, you'll need to try a different variation. Once you find an available username, tap Done or Save to confirm the change. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.